Here are 8 companion plants for kale and 5 enemies. So this year's strategy was to grow kale almost exclusively as a trap crop for aphids. I planted more than enough so I can plant them all over the garden for this purpose, but I also compiled a list of friends and enemies for kale in order to find the most optimal pairings. Most of the time they say to never plant members of the brassica family near each other because they attract the same types of pests, but a couple of websites specifically said kale is a good match for cabbage because it maximizes space. Also, in this instance, we are going to use the same companion plant to fight all the pests that would bother both plants. I already had red cabbage and dill planted here because dill enhances kale growth and attracts predatory insects. The third companion plant for kale is hot peppers, like cayenne and habanero. They do not compete for nutrients, and the hot peppers can deter deer and rabbits. We planted a row of cilantro next to the kale because the scent repels pests and the flowers attract beneficial insects. You can plant kale amidst your garlic, which is one of the most popular pest deterrents, and or sneak it in with some onions, which also deters pests and loosens soil. Additional companion plants include chamomile to boost the health and growth of the kale, and calendula, which attracts hoverflies, lacewings, and ladybugs to control aphids. Avoid planting kale near sunflowers, tomatoes, strawberries, fennel, and basil.